Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is the exciting new album from Nails, Every Bridge Burning. Recently, while watching an old American Horror Story episode, there's this one scene where members of a cult kill a tied up member by all taking turns shooting a nail gun into various parts of the victim's head. It jumped to mind seconds after hitting play on this album, finding a parallel of slamming into that same level of brutality and aggression on display in these 10 new tracks from this kind of Nails. After 8 years, this revamped four-piece out of Oxnard, California returns with a vengeance with their fourth full-length. Mainstay Todd Jones joins forces once again with longtime producer Kurt Ballou to create a sound on brand in these tracks that smack by, most in the 1 to 3 minute range. It seem longer due to the sheer density of the way they're packed together.
The opening track, Imposing Will, is an immediate invasion, with pounding drums of Carlos Cruz tag teaming off the top rope with fuzztastic riffing of Shelby Lermo, creating a really distinctive pattern. Jones' vocals are guttural, wet bark, biting and mordant. Punishment Map is also set at the breakneck pace of a Royal Rumble, Cruz adding liberal doses of blast beats and rollouts, while Lermo's guitar sound is harsh enough to pin your face to the mat. Andrew Solis' bass line heightens the ferocity as Jones screeches like a banshee about fellow California fiend, the Golden State Killer. Ski mask, flashlight, rope tied, terrorize.
I Can't Turn It Off is a punk-informed anthem of sorts, with the wah-wah riffs falling at ludicrous speed and drums pounding like the surf on Fast Forward, till they break out in a spank and tickle the tom solo. I don't want it to stop. While everyone got soft, I won't turn it off. I can't turn it off. Changing things up for a doomier pace on tracks like Lacking the Ability to Process Empathy, where the riffs turn chuggy and thick with 1 second of a dead stop. Solis's bass notes are elongated here, further intensifying the atmosphere. No More Rivers to Cross is in a similar place, but with the riffs in long vibrato notes before getting shorter and chunkier. Jones's vocals are particularly acidic. It closes with power chords over industrial clunks until the Nails' preferred outro, a feedback squall.
My favorite track is Give Me the Painkiller, with a crunch-packed hooky guitar melody that resurfaces throughout the track and also features a short, noodly solo. It's a fortification of constant combustion of battering drums and growling riffs. Jones had an extra growl of his own vocals here to add more fuel to the fire. Jones stated that for this album, he wanted to model it after the type of bands. When they put out an album, you know what it's going to sound like. It's the delivery of the expectation, full of combative style with concentrated, intense slabs of clamor. I think we can safely say they hydraulic power nailed it. Welcome back, Nails. All right, let's play a song. This is Give Me the Painkiller.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.